Hi everyone and welcome back to our Advent Calendar Day 7! I'm excited to do this because it's probably the third time I'm doing Advent Calendar. I'm not a fan of Advent Calendar, but of course I have to support my wife. And it's kinda making me excited also. So we're now on Day 7 and Day 7 is here. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's creme fraiche. wait, it's creme. I don't know how to remove it. Wait, It's a moisturizing plumping cream. We're going to do Jo Malone next. And Day 7 is... And don't tell me it's another perfume, it's another cologne. It's English Pear and Freesia. Oh my gosh. It is so... It smells so good. You know, one thing about Jo Malone Advent Calendar, it's mostly cologne. And you know how expensive Jo Malone's colognes are, right? And lastly, we have the BHG. You know, you'll be surprised like how much we got this. It's only $88 compared to Jo Malone and Nukes. This is really, really cheap. But then, what you get inside, 6, 7, are really good products. Like for example, this MAC Hyper Real Fresh Canvas Cleansing Oil. I think Kathy will use this to remove her makeup. So, BHG, like they put like great brands here. They even put Clé de Peau. Clé de Peau is it's an expensive brand. It's a French brand, and it already like costs and I think you get good value for your money for $88, and it's nice. Okay, thank you guys, and we'll see you again next time.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will bring you to one of the best areas in Singapore to get our favorite nasi lemak. Situated in northeast Singapore, Kovan is a neighborhood which has plenty of great restaurants, cafes, eateries, and hawker stalls. Punggol Nasi Lemak needs no introduction. This legendary Nasi Lemak stall has fantastic Chinese-style Nasi Lemak, and we love their super crispy chicken wings, luncheon meat, and fried egg. Guys, this is a must-try when you are in Singapore. We also love their ikan bilis, or the small fish with the peanut. We also like the ladyfinger and a lot of chili. We love their chili. After we eat, we also like to stroll around to see the plants. There's a very nice nursery close to the Punggol Nasi Lemak restaurant. If you're interested to buy some plants, I think this is also a good area to visit. This is in Kovan. Next stop is, of course, the durian place, which Dad loves so much.
So good.
Hooray! We're buying mangosteen for the kids because this is their favorite. And we're adding dragon fruit because Dad loves it. That's it for tonight, and we're going home, guys. See you later.
I'm not sure whether I should be in the video. Hello. How are you?
guys, welcome to the Christmas market thanks here in Vivo City. Welcome to Vivo City! If you're still looking for gifts this Christmas, I think this is one of the best places to go to. But just be ready because it's so crowded now.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas.
Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again on our next vlog, Singapore Vlogmas Day 8. Merry Christmas!